Hi guys, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and today I'm going to make mixed media layout, and it's a celebration time for Taylor. She crossed 7,000 subscribers, so this hub is dedicated to her. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my designer paper sheet in 6 by 6 inches, and one of them I'm going to apply my texture paste. It's from Expression Craft, so I'm just applying it with my palette knife. And after that, these designs are really lovely and I love it personally. So after that, this is the design, and the stencil is from ITD collection. So I'm taking another piece of sheet and I'm going to paste over here, and then I'm going to use my distress ink and I'm going to apply it on my edges to make it look more 3D. And I'm going to apply my craft glue at the back and I'm going to paste it just like that. I hope you're enjoying this video tutorial. You can check out more videos just like that in the description below. Other artists' videos are also lovely. So next what I'm going to do, I've already die cut few things, and this is the focal point I'm going to take this picture. You can also paste your own picture accordingly. And this is the wooden embellishment I already painted just to save time, so you can paint with any color you like. I personally like this one, so I painted with this one. And this is my embellishment. I already die cut it, and just like that I'm going to paste everything. These all things are from impressions by my Altair. Okay, so I'm just going to paste everything with my double-sided tape and other things, as you can see in the video. And do subscribe my channel, do like it. If you like this video, you can thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and do check out other artists' videos also to win this hub. And you can comment below whatever you feel like about this video. I hope you're enjoying. So here what I'm going to paste another embellishment, and these butterflies are very cute to look at, so I'm using them as well for creating this effect. And this kind of layout you can use for your scrapbooks covers or even on explosion box as well. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, guys. That's it, it's already done. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some white dot, and I also sprinkle with the black one later on. And you can also paste the mulberry flowers I'm putting over here, one over here. So that's how it's look. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.